My name is Ashutosh. I am from Bihar. I am currently living in my village. And if I talk about my education, so I have done my graduation. And apart from this, also I'm running YouTube channel. That's all about English learning. So
Yeah,
that's all
yeah,
about me.
it's good. Okay, so can I introduce myself?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah, so sir, first of all, my name is Sanjan, and I'm also from Bihar, but currently I am talking with you from Delhi. Actually, I'm here to study purpose, and I live with my father. And about my education, so I have done my 12th class from Delhi, and after that I took admission in college. Means I'm pursuing BA, Bachelor of Arts, and about my hobbies, so I like play hockey, and I also do like meditations and yoga and traveling also. And I also running a YouTube channel. Recently, I it 1 month ago, and that's all about me. And thank you to listening me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so it is very good. Where are you from in Bihar?
In Bihar, my
Which
district
district?
name is my district name is Sitamarhi. You know about?
Okay. Yes, I know very well.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So it is, like it's a coincidence. We both are from Bihar.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what study you are doing in Delhi?
In Delhi, recently I take the admission in college, so I'm pursuing BA, Bachelor of Arts.
BA.
Yeah,
Okay,
BA
okay,
program.
okay,
Yes.
okay. That's very good. So what is your future plan? What do you want to become?
Yeah, yes. In future, I want to become full-time traveler. Actually, I like traveling. So I am right now. I'm totally focused on communication skills, and second is traveling. How to become good traveler and how to become successful traveler in future. So just I am working on my skills and dream right now.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
your dream is you want to like explore all over world, right?
Yes, all over world at least one time. Actually, I visit a whole country at least one time. And
Okay,
after that, maybe I will start business in Bihar.
okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. That's very good.
Yes, sir.
So for
Because
that you learning English.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Actually, communication skill is very important for do anything, and that's why I am working uh, on my communication skill, and just I try to increase my skills and ability, and always focus how to become good person, because it is important
True,
to
true,
build business. It is important to build
true, true.
business. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, just I want to ask you how you are enjoying your English journey. So, can you explain me so that I can also implement in my journey if you are doing something, whatever I am not doing.
Yes,
So,
sir.
how
So,
is
yes,
going
sir.
your English journey, and what you are doing for that?
Yes, sir. Yeah. First of all, I started my journey last 2 months ago. I decide I want to become a full. I want to become good speaker in English, and it is going good because nowadays I connect with different people. So obviously I get a different experience and knowledge. So it is going totally good, and I use some method for learning English. Like whenever I get free time, so that time I try to read novels, and I find new words, and and after that I write in notebook, and after that I make sentence related about, and I also watching more much video on YouTube, because on YouTube many videos available like English conversations, and third one is I follow native speakers, because I want to speak English naturally. Yeah, I
Correct,
use
correct.
this type method. Yes, sir.
Yes, that's very good because if you're like listen, a lot of video is there on YouTube nowadays, and many people are creating the content like
Yes, sir.
English speech, English one-to-one conversation. Like they share their life journey, they share a lot of things there.
Lot of
Anything you
yes,
can
sir.
watch, news you can watch, and if you are watching news in that, also you will build your confidence and you understand how people are talking and how you
Yes,
can
sir.
present yourself. So
Yes,
that
sir. Yes.
is good. I'm also doing the same. and many
Yes, sir.
people are there in that, like in India. If I talk about
Yes, sir.
India, many student, they belongs to village, they belongs to completely Hindi medium, and they did their study. I'm also did my study in Hindi medium, but after that I realized, okay, if I am not be able to speak, I'm not aware about speaking English,
Yes, sir.
so we can't survive, we can't grow myself, I can't achieve whatever I think in my mind, and I can't fulfill my dream. For that, I need to learn English, right? The
Yes,
thing is, when if I talk about after grammar, I know the tense, I know the like how to make a translation. But the thing is, coming to speaking, so it is very difficult. Everything I know, but the thing is, I'm not be able to, design the sentence. I'm not be able to speak. The thing is, I never ever open up my mouth in English language. So that's the problem. So just I want to discuss today, because many people, they belongs to Bihar also, they belongs to UP, they belongs to different state, right? And they also want to speak, they also want to speak, right? The thing is, whatever we are creating video here, and the thing
yes,
is,
sir.
they understand something, understand they not be able to speak, because they never speak, that's why they not be able to speak.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if the people who want to start their journey, and they can start mix up of Hindi,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Like I know English, I know Hindi, my mother tongue is Bhojpuri, and Hindi
Yes.
also. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
I am speaking Hindi since my childhood. I have 25-year plus experience to speaking Hindi, and
Indeed.
if I
Yes,
am
sir.
going to talk to anybody in Hindi, and nobody can beat me, because I
Yes, yes.
have a lot of experience,
Experience. Yes, sir.
right? But now I am decided to learn English. Obviously, it will take time, right?
Yes,
तो
sir.
जो भी इंग्लिश को सीखना चाहता है, जो भी इंग्लिश को बोलना चाहता है, जो भी हमारे फ्रेंड है, हमारे दोस्त हैं, हमारे जो हमें देख रहे हैं, हमें सुन रहे हैं, मैं उन लोगों से यही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि देखो, ये एक दिन की जर्नी नहीं है। आपको ये
Yes,
समझना
sir. Yes,
है
sir.
कि हमने 20 ईयर, 15 ईयर, 30 ईयर हमने हिंदी बोला है, तो
Yes, sir.
हमने
Yes, sir.
सुन सुन के बोला है, और हम लोग इसमें मोर फ्लुएंट है। कोई भी
Yes, sir.
हरा नहीं सकता, कोई भी हमें ये नहीं कह सकता कि नहीं, मुझे बोलने में प्रॉब्लम है। द थिंग इज, if I talk about like any kind of topic, right?
Yes.
Any kind of knowledge, like if I am saying to you, आपको कुछ हिंदी में इंडिया के कुछ ऐसे हिस्ट्री के बारे में बात करना है जो आप नहीं जानते हैं, राइट? The thing is, you are not be able to speak that moment because you are not aware about that.
Aware about. Yes, sir.
So, yeah, so because the thing is, मैं भी नहीं जानता हूँ, आप भी नहीं जानते हैं कि
Yes,
मुझे वो
sir.
कैसे बात करना है, बिकॉज
Yes,
ये
sir.
लैंग्वेज की बात नहीं होती है। लोग बोलता है कि टॉपिक पे बात करो, दैट्स द गुड, यू कैन
Yes,
स्पीक ऑन
sir.
टॉपिक। So before start, you need to prepare about that topic,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Then only possible to speak, right?
Yes, sir.
So मैंने भी आज सोचा था कि वीडियो में कुछ थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट बात करेंगे, राइट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Of
बिकॉज
course.
लाइक माय फ्रेंड, जस्ट आई वांट टू टेल यू, whatever we are doing as of now, this kind of conversation, many people they are making this video, this
Yes, sir.
type of
Yes, sir.
conversation video,
Yes,
and
sir.
whatever people are doing, right? क्या उसमें कर रहे हैं वीडियो में कि जस्ट डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, अच्छा है, दैट्स वेरी गुड।
Yes,
whatever they
sir.
are discussed in that video, that's very good, बट मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि जो इंग्लिश समझते नहीं है, लेकिन उनको भी अंदर से इच्छा है कि हम इंग्लिश को बोल पाए,
Yes, sir.
राइट? तो हाउ दे कैन स्पीक, कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा ना, कुछ तो
Yes,
डिफरेंट
sir. Yeah.
करना पड़ेगा,
Yes, sir. Yes,
राइट?
of course. Of course. Yeah.
So as I told you in the starting time, don't call me sir. My name
No,
is Ashutosh, you
actually,
can call me Ashutosh.
Yeah, I saw your name. Actually, sir, I think you have a life experience and you are my senior. So that's why I'm calling because you have more
No,
much
ma'am.
knowledge
See,
compared with
it's
me.
not a senior and junior. So we both are friend. We both are learner. We both are just we trying to help each other. Just I
Yeah,
am
yeah, yeah,
talking to
yeah,
you
of course.
because something I want to get from your side. That's why I'm talking to you,
Yes, yeah, of course, of
right?
course, of course.
And
Yes,
you also talking to me because something you want to learn from my side. That's why you are
yes,
talking
yeah,
to me.
of course, of
So
course,
it
of
is
course.
natural. It is natural. सब
Yeah,
सब एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड है. So
yeah,
don't
of
think
course, of
about
course.
like anything, right? So मैं ये बोल रहा था कि इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए यू नो द बेसिक. बेसिक
Yeah,
क्या है?
basis.
बेसिक मतलब टेंसेस यू नो,
Yes, of course.
correct, how to make translation, where you need to use like situation. Situation
Situations,
means present, past and future. You should
futures. Yes,
aware about that, how
yes,
we need to present those criteria. Then you can
yes.
speak, at least you can understand what you need to speak.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If we are talking about like our present, we are just talking about our present. So how we can design the sentences, how we
Yes,
can speak, what we need to use, where we need to use, right? The thing is that we should aware about that tenses. अगर हम tenses जानते हैं, the
yes,
basic, I'm not saying you first you need to become a like very very excellent in grammar and then you can
yes,
start your speaking journey. So it is, as per my understanding, is it is really not true. If I talk about हिंदी, आपने कभी व्याकरण नहीं पढ़ा है हिंदी बोलने के
yes,
लिए?
sir. Yes,
पढ़ा
sir.
है
You
क्या?
right. Yeah, you say right. No,
Never,
no, no, no. Never. Yes, sir.
never, I guess. Nobody you learn like
Yeah.
व्याकरण, but they are
Yes.
speaking. They are
Yes, sir.
speaking
Yes.
very very fluent
Yes, of course, of course.
because they listen to other and they open their mouth.
Yes.
Every time they try, 100 time, million time, billion time they try to speak, and after that they speak. This is the thing. That's why I
Yes, sir.
just I'm so sorry for that. Maybe you are bored about that my
No, no, no,
conversation.
no, 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 sir. It is good because you are finding a niche, basic niche. Because when we start
Mhm.
do anything like step by step, so we can easily achieve it. Like some people have a no curiosity and some people have a no like a you know patience. They want to
Yeah,
try
yeah.
speak fluently without do anything, without understanding grammar, without
Ah,
yes sir.
correct, correct. So
Yeah.
this is a true. Actually, people are
Yeah.
thinking about, okay, if you are speaking very fluent, why not
Yes
I?
sir.
Right?
Yes,
So
yes.
the thing is, they should need to aware about that. They should need to think about that, how they can speak,
Yes, sir, yes.
what they did for that actually in their past.
Yes.
Because आपने भी जब सीखा होगा इंग्लिश हेल्पिंग विद द हिंदी ओनली, आपने
Yes,
हिंदी
yes,
के
of
हेल्प
course.
से ही इंग्लिश सीखा है.
Yes, of
आई
course,
एम
of
ऑल्सो
course.
I am also learn the same. So why not we can also help other people to learn this language with
Yes, sir.
help of their like mother tongue. If they
Yes.
having their mother tongue Hindi, why not?
Yes, of course, of course, of course.
And you can also see I'm first time this making this conversation mix up of Hindi. I never
Yes.
made any conversation. I never upload the video on YouTube
Oh,
like speaking Hindi. So this is the first conversation, I guess. But it was
oh.
really good. Good. It is going really good.
Yeah, yeah, of course, of
So
course.
yeah. So because it is true actually, I realize it is true.
Yeah, yeah, of
We
course,
are
of course.
not focus about truth,
Truth,
right?
yeah.
We are not focused about truth. We have to focus on truth. What is the
Yes,
right
sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
रियलिटी को जब तक हम लोग नहीं पहचानेंगे, व्हाट इज अ रियलिटी, व्हाट इज अ
Yeah.
पेन, पेन, रियल पेन फॉर
Yeah.
डू एनीथिंग.
Yes,
आई
sir,
एम नॉट
yes, of
टॉकिंग
course.
अबाउट इंग्लिश. If I'm talking about whatever you want to learn, you want to like become a like good traveler. For
Yes,
that
sir.
you need to learn many things. How you
Many
can
things,
travel,
yeah.
what you need to do, how you can manage all those things. So
Yes,
for
yes.
these activities also you need to understand what you need to do,
Yes,
right?
of course.
तो उसमें भी आपको बेसिक से सीखना पड़ेगा।
Yeah, yeah,
जो
of
जब
course.
तक आप रियलिटी को नहीं समझोगे, यू कांट डू एनीथिंग। आई एम आल्सो कांट
Yes,
डू इट।
yes,
If
yes,
I my dream was my dream as of now, my dream I want to become like a good successful English speaker and as well as YouTuber. For that, I need to learn many things.
many things. Yeah.
Like, and I have to do hard work for that. If I'm like saying, okay, बहुत सारे YouTuber हैं on YouTube, they having like million and billion subscriber and they are getting million and billion views.
Yes, of course.
Why not I? Why not I
Yeah,
can get? Because the thing is, I am not, thinking how they can get what they did for that. कितना मेहनत किया उसने उसके लिए, मैं इसके बारे में तो सोच ही नहीं रहा हूँ। मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ बस
yes,
मेरा कैसे हो जाए। नहीं, मैं उसके बैकग्राउंड को समझना है। फर्स्ट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दोज बैकग्राउंड व्हाट दे डिड एक्चुअली फॉर दैट, हाउ मेनी हार्ड वर्क दे डिड फॉर दैट,
yes, of course,
राइट?
of course.
So आई एम सो सॉरी एक्चुअली, आई स्पीक अ लॉट
No,
and
no, it is
if you
okay.
have
It is
anything
good. It is
definitely you can ask.
actually, yeah, it is need. Actually, I also get many points value speaking. So it is good for me. I think it is helpful for other people also because you
Yes,
cover
yes,
cover you covered step one means a basic. When we master in basic, so we can also grow up because everything
true,
start
true.
yeah, because everything starting in a basic, like when you take first step, after that after that you take a second step. Yeah, so it is good. And like you say everybody get more much views like billion and million, so yeah, we can also get, but first we should understand how can. And first we should become a hard work, consistency, and we need also patience because patience is a
Correct,
very important because like many people start speaking English, many people start making videos on YouTube, but they work on like a 1 month, 2 month, and after that they think uh, it is not grow up, so I think I should leave it like this. They have no any kind of patience. If anybody has patience, so I, in my point of view, we can easily achieve anything. So like I also watched many kind of video like about traveling, related traveling. So I also see many people achieve more much knowledge, more much success in traveling. So sometimes I also think, why I'm not do, I also do it. So just I have patience, and because nowadays I have no money, so just I have patience. I try to earn money, and I also try to uh, find how to earn money while traveling. So
correct,
patience is a very
correct.
important. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, my friend, anything you want to ask, or we can wrap up?
Yeah, you have any kind of questions, so ask, sir. Otherwise, I think everything is clear. And when I in future, when I get free time, so I will send you message and definitely uh, connect. We
Definitely,
will
you
meet
are
again.
welcome
Yeah,
always. Whenever you feel to talk, you let me know. We can connect and we can discuss with very interesting topic, and we can
yeah, of
learn
course.
those things. So it
Yes,
was
yes,
really great conversation with you, and we will
yes,
meet
yes.
soon with another interesting topic. Till the
Yeah,
time,
yeah, of
take
course.
care and keep practice.
Yeah,